Okay, here's fifth question of the paper, the International C34 paper. It's one of those questions that's split into two parts, but there doesn't seem to be an obvious connection between the two parts, really. It could have easily been two separate 4-mark questions, it appears to me. So we're going to use differentiation. I'm going to use the quotient rule. But you could, interestingly, an interesting approach to this might be to rewrite that as that, and then we could actually see, if you're reasonably efficient with these things, that the final answer for differentiating is 1 over x plus 1 squared. But given the fact that it takes a bit of insight to do that, I'm going to do the more obvious thing and just do the quotient rule. Obviously letting u equals x and v equals x plus 1 up there, and then putting it straight into the formula. Let's not beat about the bush here. So it's equal to this bit differentiated, du by dx times by this. So that's x plus 1 times by 1. Take away this bit differentiated, which is 1 times by this. So let's take away x times 1 all over x plus 1 squared. So there we go. Multiply at the top and you end up with 1 over x plus 1 squared. Okay, nice. So that's not a problem. And then we're going to equate that to a quarter. So dy by dx equals to a quarter. So that gives me 1 over x plus 1 squared equals to a quarter. Most obvious thing to do is, so in order for that to be the case, we've got that. Rather than multiply out, it's probably better to just, well, it definitely is better to take square roots, so it's plus or minus 2. So x equals to minus 1 plus 2, which is 1, or x equals to minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3. Okay, and that's it for the first part of the question. Right, second part is, it doesn't seem as though it'd be too troublesome. We obviously got a ln involved, and in this case it's an unknown value of a. I guess they're trying to be a little bit imaginative with the kind of questions they're doing, but it doesn't look particularly troublesome. We just need to integrate the t plus 1 over t, put in the limits and equate to ln 7. So that equals to 2a. If I just divide through, that's 1 plus 1 over t dt. So that equals to t plus ln t from 2a to a. So that's equal to 2a plus ln 2a minus a plus ln a. And what we get there is, when we put through into that, we've got 2a minus a, which gives me a. And then we've got ln 2a take away ln a, which is ln 2a take away a, so that's ln plus ln 2a over a, using the rule of logs. So that's a plus ln 2. But we know that that's equal to ln 7, so we have ln 7 equals to a plus ln 2. So taking that over to the other side, we've got a is equal to ln 7 minus ln 2. So a is equal to ln 7 over 2. So that's it. That's the answer. Okay, that's it.